Hi, this is a software that I developed as a tool for apologetics. This software will allow you to engage with confidence and use this as a tool, a real-time tool where you can have your information right in front of you and you don't have to be grasping for ideas or reasons or whatever things you want to prove. And you can debate anyone with confidence. So what I'll show you is this software that has the Bible, a Bible search, and all the documents that you accumulated or that comes with the software. And we have the catechism in front of you, which you can do a search and find out where the paragraphs are. And the same thing with the Bible. So here goes. Let me explain how this works. To fire up the application, we need to open the folder and look for the application where we kept our file. If we open up the folder, you could click on the app. You will see that the file name ends with an exe. So fire it up, and the main form shows the buttons of the various modules of this application. For example, we have the Bible. This is an RSV Catholic edition. We have also the search Bible option, which is a very powerful tool. We have the catechism where we could browse, serve, save, search. Also we have the reference section, which we edited or formed in a reference editor. And we have the document options. These are PDF files that we have in store in our file. We have also the browser, a browser where we can browse our anything in the web. The settings options to change your fonts and font properties. And lastly, a personalized text editor, mini text editor. Now let's visit all the modules, starting with the Bible option. So let's fire up the Bible, and you can see it defaults to Genesis chapter 1. We can select the books or book by scrolling down or by typing in the name of the book. For example, a very important chapter of John chapter 6. So we can scroll down and read it from there, or we can also view it in another form. In this form, we can edit. It's an editable form where we can add our commentary, which we can then print or save in a file. And we can scroll down and notice the menu bar on the top, where it allows us to do some editing or adding our own commentaries. Here we have our next option is the Bible search option. We can select from the Old, New, or both Testaments. Okay, so let's see if we want to search for the word abide. Now, as we type in and do a search, it lists all the verses. In this case, we selected the New Testament, and it returned 29 verses with the word abide. So we can select a verse and view the entire chapter. Notice this is also an editable form. We can add our own commentary. You may add your own annotation, which you can then print or save. And of course, you could highlight them and underline them, make it bold, italicized, and everything you can do in a text editor. So notice that the word abide that we search for is also highlighted. Now our next option, the catechism. We can search by keyword or paragraph number in the catechism module. This is very powerful. Let's search for the paragraph 900 and you view the entire paragraph. We can then show the source paragraph. Note that this is also an editable form. Look at the menu bar on top. We can highlight, underline, italize, add your own commentary. You can also print or save your changes. It doesn't change the database though, it stays. It's uncorrupted. Okay, the reference module shows the document we created by way of the reference editor. This would be an entirely separate tutorial on how to make your own reference, but you could see that you could create documents like this. Like for example, this is a tool where we can pull out Bible verses and add our own comments. This is the document that we just made with this reference editor. Our next module will be covered in another tutorial. Now this is another useful option where we can view the documents we saved. These are PDF files. For example, the Doctors of the Church that we have selected. We can print or email it to a friend or colleague and share this. You can also view it, the files from different folders. As you can see, we can open different folders, not only in our application, within our application folder, but outside or in the entire PC or your computer. Here we have included a text editor which you can use for writing documents, which is a mini word processor where you could just enter your own documents. So that's it. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Go forward and share, defend our Catholic faith. If you have further questions, email me at victor@SMASapologetics.org. So here's Victor. Bye-bye. See you later. Adios. Goodbye. Hasta la vista. See you again. Bye-bye.